Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
So today in this video we are gonna tell you top 5 weekend destinations from Bangalore which you can travel within 500 kilometers.
Gokarna, which is 490 km from Bangalore.
Gokarna is a beach destination. Gokarna is a town in the southwestern part of Karnataka. So the best time to travel to Gokarna is from the month of October to February.
The main tourist attraction in Gokarna is beaches. Om Beach, Kudle Beach,
Half Moon Beach, Paradise Beach and also the Gokarna Beach. So to reach all these beaches, to some of the beaches you will have to trek or take a boat. So you usually get a boat from Kudle Beach to all the other beaches like Paradise Beach and Half Moon Beaches.
Hampi is a UNESCO World Heritage Site which is 350 km from Bangalore. Best time to visit Hampi is winter season.
From November to January. So Hampi was the capital of the Vijayanagara Empire and it is known for a lot of ruins and temples. So the main tourist attractions in Hampi are the Vijaya Vittala temple, the Virupaksha temple, the musical pillars and the stone chariot. There is also coracle ride in the Tungabhadra river, so that's a thing you shouldn't miss when you are going to Hampi.
Chikmagalur is a hill station in Karnataka which is 250 km from Bangalore.
Chikmagalur is very famous for its serene environment and lush green forest and mountains. The highest peak of Karnataka, the Mulyanagiri peak, is situated in Chikmagalur. There is also a lot of other attractions like the Baba Budangiri peak, the Z Point and a lot of waterfalls. The best time to visit Chikmagalur is from September to May. After monsoons or even during monsoons, people do prefer to go to Chikmagalur.
Coorg, which is 270 km from Bangalore.
Coorg is also a hill station in Karnataka. It is known for its coffee plantation, beautiful mountains. So in Madikeri, the places which you can visit as a tourist is Abbey Falls, Raja Seat, there's a Madikeri fort and then is the coffee plantation and also Mandalpeti trek. So there's a jeep trek to Mandalpeti. Early in the morning if you go, you're gonna get very beautiful views. So that was Madikeri in Coorg, and Coorg is a place where you can visit I think the whole year. Anytime you can go to Coorg, but we would suggest you to go during monsoons or during winters.
Mysore is a cultural capital of Karnataka which is 190 km from Bangalore. The main tourist attraction in Mysore are Mysore Palace, Chamundi Hills, Mysore Zoo,
St. Philomena's Church, Brindavan Garden, Karinji Lake, Rail Museum. So these are few tourist attractions in Mysore. So the best time to travel to Mysore is all around the year, but especially during Dussehra, it's gonna be a really good time. So Dussehra is one of the best time to travel to Mysore. So that was the top 5 weekend destinations to visit from Bangalore. So these are the destinations which are in Karnataka. So thank you guys for watching.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.